Right, we're going to be looking at drawing the head of this bolt over here. The dimension for the height of the head of the bolt, what we would do is we'd say M, which is the 22 that we were given, multiplied by 0.7, and that should give you a measurement of 15.4 millimeters. You'll see that in the example over here, they just rounded that up to 16, and I'm just going to use that measurement off their drawing. So I measure off 16, and I put a little mark there, and I can draw a construction line going across over here just to show me where the top of that bolt is. Right, once I've got that in place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lines going down from the corners of the hexagon over here, showing the corners of the bolt. Going to take those down. And then what I'd like you to do is to take your 30-degree set square and draw a line going from the center, and that will intersect in the center of that face of the bolt, and take that across at 30 degrees there to find the center of that bolt. That's going to help me to find the centers over here. You can see that. And the centers over here, these are just construction lines that I've got between the faces of this bolt. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the intersections of where that touches the top of the bolt, where that touches the top of the bolt, where that touches the top of the bolt, and where that touches the top of the bolt. Everybody happy with those points that I just made? Okay. And from there, I'm going to take lines, construction lines coming down here at 60 degrees there, and at 60 degrees there. Right. I have got a construction line over here, which I'm just going to darken in a little bit so you can see it. Okay, over there and over there, showing the edges of the face of that front face that's right over here. Now I know that there is a curve over here which I need to draw in. I have found the center for that curve, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pair of compasses, I'm going to extend them out to that radius from the center. Can you see where I'm taking the radius? And I then draw a curve going around like that. All right. Once I've got that, I then go to this little point over here, and I'm going to draw a line going at 60 degrees down to there. And I'm going to take another little line at 60 degrees going down there. And that gives me the center for two smaller little arcs, which I need to then construct by getting that radius. Let me just get my compass sorted. So from that radius over there, you can see the radius that I'm using over there. You can see why I needed that center to be dropped down from the middle of that face over there. And I can now draw in that arc over there. Right, so I've got that in there, and I can draw in that little arc over there. Once I've got that, I need to take my 30-degree set square, and I'm going to draw a little line at 30 degrees as a tangent to that little arc over there. I'm going to draw a line at 30 degrees as a tangent to that little arc over there. And I'm then going to draw in a dark line joining up those two little lines that I just drew. And that will give me the top of the bolt. I then come back over here and I darken in that line over there. I darken in that line over there. I darken in that line over there. And I darken in that line over there. Note over here, can you see the shaft over here does not intersect with those two lines, please never let me see you make that mistake.